Well, Sheila and I are coming in from a beautiful day of fishing. We caught about 15 great big slab crappies. The sun is going down right over the marina, right where we're going. Such a beautiful sight. I thought I've got to film this. See if I can hold the camera still going across the lake. But just a spectacular day. With the clouds. What are you pointing at? Go get it up higher. She's playing director back here, telling me where to hold the camera. Shut up. Just for fun, let's settle her down here. Let me go take a peek up here. Move my minnow bucket out of the way. Let's see what the day provided for us. Goodness gracious. Look at here. We got a pile of slabs in there, and some are just absolutely pigs. Unbelievable. Look at that. Two of them side by side that are just, there's like three. There's one on. Look at the shoulders on him. Look at that. Anyway, we got them thanks to the, I got my little electronics covered up there, but thanks to that Minn Kota Fortrex and that Lowrance Electronics and Miss Shishi catching some, and we just really got them today. So can't thank everybody enough for being on YouTube with us. I hope you enjoyed this today. This is all of our big fishing adventures, and just a gorgeous sundown. You know, you almost can't turn the camera off when the Lord gives you such a beautiful day like this. It's got to be about 76 degrees. It was 82 today. Just absolutely spectacular. Everybody's heading in. It's the end of the day, and there was tons of boats out here earlier. Of course, it was on Saturday. The water's just now calming down, so. But anyway, here comes somebody with a boat with a bunch of screaming rap on. Never understood that why you'd want to come out here in such God's country and listen to screaming music the whole time you're out here, you know. Man, I come out here to get away from it. Well, it's a beautiful evening, and we are doing just fine. Talk to you soon. Bye.